What is going on, guys? Welcome back and welcome to another Corvette video. That is loud. Now today we are going to be something that should be one of the probably first two things that you should do if you get a C8 Corvette. And the first one is already done to the car, and that was window tint. But the second one is getting some new wheels, guys. That is right, we're gonna be getting some new wheels for the Corvette, and I can't wait to show you guys what those look like and just how much of a difference they're gonna make on this car. Now, before we get to that, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to each and every one of you guys that support the channel. We have come a long way in this channel from the beginning days in the Pontiac G8 to the Camaro SS and the ZL1, and now to be able to have this C8 Stingray here in my garage. So really thankful, appreciate it deeply from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for all the support. And if you like what you see, guys, if you want to see more of this content, especially with the Stingray, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of these videos. Now let's go ahead and pull the car out, guys, show you guys the way it looks with the stock tires and wheels and kind of what I don't like about it, and that way you guys can see the difference when we put the new wheels on. Now there you have the box of the wheels, guys, and just a little bit of details. I'm not going to show you guys the exact design, but they are going to be using the factory tires. So it'll be a 19 in the front, 20 in the back, but we will get to those once they are on the car. So right now, let's go ahead and get this car out. Whew. Man, there's something about the car and it being mid-engine, guys. The shorter exhaust path, I don't know what it is, but it just sounds so good, even just bone stock. And can't wait to see what else we do to it and hopefully make it a little bit louder. But for now, let's get this thing out and show you guys the wheels. And here you have it, guys. Of course, if you are new to the channel, this is my 2020 C8 Stingray. It is a 3LT Z51 car, as you see by the front splitter, and came quite loaded with a few things, one of which were these carbon flash 5-spoke wheels. And you see here the wheels don't look bad, guys. It's got the machined lip, and it's a 19 by 8.5 in the front, and I believe a 20 by 11 inch wheel in the rear. Obviously doesn't look bad, of course, but we're gonna make it look 1,000 times better. Now, one of the things that I don't like about these wheels, guys, is in any stock wheels for the C8 is how flat these wheels really are. Like, they do not give it any type of concave look to them, especially up front. I mean, it actually looks like it's almost pointing outward. It's kind of pointed outward and not anywhere inward. So hopefully the new wheels that we have are going to give that concavity to it and really make it look nice. The next thing, guys, and one of the biggest things, is right here. Look at how sunk in these wheels are. So it makes this car look kind of weird, especially up front, where you could definitely get this to stick out slightly more, and in the rear even more so. As you see here, it just, the tires and the wheels are kind of just sunken in, and so that really takes away from the aggressiveness of this car, and the new wheels should definitely fix that. Hopefully they don't damage our wheels. It has happened to me before. I have gotten wheels damaged on the mounting and dismounting of the tires. Hopefully we won't have any issues, fingers crossed. Well, made it to discount. They got the car already checked in, and now we just gotta get this thing, drive it in there so we can get the new wheels mounted. and I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see what this is gonna look like, guys. Can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like, and I hope it looks as good as I think it does. But you guys will be the judge of that, so let's get this thing inside, get it taken care of, and show you guys the end result. All right, we got the car in the bay. Obviously being so low, you have to jack it up each corner. So good thing we got the jack pucks installed. So that's gonna make it easy for these guys to raise and lower this thing. Well, we are back in the vet, and the wheels are on, and man, let me just move this car so that everything kind of settles in, and then I will show you guys what it looks like, because it is amazing. Man, I gotta tell you, I hope you guys love these wheels as much as I do. But here you have it. That is right, we have the Z06 carbon fiber style wheels on the car. Huge shout out to Discount Tire, and man, these things look amazing. Now they're still kind of dirty, they got a little tire grease and stuff and all that. We'll make sure we clean all that up, but I mean, right here, check this out. Tire nice and flush, and that concavity there, it is so much better than the stock wheels. I mean, this thing is now sitting inwards, giving it that more aggressive look. And same here up front. I mean, the tire is practically flush. We'll kind of check it out a little bit more, but what do you guys think? Check this out. That is awesome, awesome, and perfect fitment. Huge shout out to MRR wheels. You guys can see it. I mean, man, this is nice. Now, yes, I do need to drop it, but that will be here very, very soon. But for now, I mean, this thing looks insane. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Should I have gone with a different style? I love this style. Anyways, guys, let's head on home. And there you have it, guys. Check this out. Cleaned up the wheels, they are perfect, good to go. And we were able to fix exactly the things that I griped on the OEM wheels, guys, and that was how inward they were and how they didn't have any type of concavity. So now we've got a much better fitment. They're flush with the fender line, and of course the front wheels have slight bit of concave into them. And in the rear, it's so much more pronounced. So it's nice and flush now, and you have an insane concave design now. Check that out. This is super deep concave, and that makes this car look so much more aggressive. I mean, come on, you can't even see the center lug nuts from this angle here. So there you have it, guys. We've got the tint done. These new Z07 package style wheels on the Stingray look amazing. Shout out to MRR Design. These are a factory sized wheel set, just different offset. So we've got a 19 by 8.5 in the front, using the same stock front size tire, and a 20 by 11 inch rear wheel using the 305 size stock tire in the rear. Now, ¿te gustaron los rines? ¿Sí? So, Sebastian approves, I approve. So now, next step is going to be to go ahead and try to eliminate some of this wheel gap that we have here. You guys see some of it here in the back, and more importantly, you can kind of see it here in the front as well. So once we get the wheel gap cleared, this thing is going to look awesome. Little by little, we are getting there, guys. Got plenty more things to do, like getting that top half of the roof wrapped in some gloss black to give it a bit of an accent, going with a new front splitter design, side skirts, and haven't decided yet, but maybe going with the high wing in the rear. Comment down below, let me know, would you guys like to see maybe a Z06 Z07 style high wing, or maybe go with the traditional Stingray high wing. Still not decided on that, but comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on that. But with that being said, guys, what did you think of these wheels? Comment down below, thumbs up, thumbs down, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.